Howdy, please. How we doing today?
I'm fine.
Good job. Sound
Good,
bright,
sir.
man. Woohoo. Love the sound of that. Easy, easy, puppy. Easy, easy.
Boy, sir, I'm not gonna lie, the sign them mash me up one way.
You can't even Mr. Good evening,
Them
good evening.
the story me have to tell you, them mash me up one way, man, but me forget it out.
Well, guess what? Full time's money put you on some manners.
Sir, I have a question. Good night.
Good night, my love.
Sir, for the creamers, for each row and each column, you normally give us three. Is it a case where we can get three, two threes and one two?
What do you mean two threes and one two? What do you mean by that?
Sir, for the equation.
Two threes?
Nobody understand what me I talk can explain.
No.
Like, sir, if like what we get, you give with three, we get
You think she had the number 3?
no, like
Like we have three rows and three columns?
yes, but for each of the equation we get three. So we have X, Y, Z. But it's a case of we get X, Y, and no Z. But for the other two rows, we get X, Y, Z.
Yeah, I don't. I'm not ready for dropping the thing point yet, man.
Use
Roll,
all
roll.
right, sir. All right.
Sure. You know what I don't like about you, Ro? You bust the secret before me even ready for get out. Sure, man.
Second time me I do this,
Yeah,
Sorry.
okay. That's why. Yeah, man. So what I'm doing, my dear, is to just is to get the students to really, you know, get a feel of what is to happen.
The calm before the storm.
Yeah,
Okay.
man. And
All
then after that, I'm gonna drop out one of the something them and give them
right.
X and
All
Y and then left out Z and them. Yeah,
Sir,
Jesus.
man.
you know, sir, me not like this about you. Me not really like this about you, you know, sir.
Malik, leave me alone. No, man, okay. It's in the past. It's something nice to say you get qualified for the business calculus. It's a blow. But they like the class of last semester, but you will be fine. You will be fine, man. All right. You know, normally I give you a little time, a little grace period, but I'm not going nothing tonight. I'm a little worried about Steph. Anybody has a number for her? She wasn't here on Tuesday, and I don't know if situation got worse, and I'm not seeing her. Uh, mm. If anybody can just drop in the group and just reach out to her and just tell her say teacher want to make sure that she's fine. I was looking for her on Tuesday. I didn't see her. Thought and talked about her, and she's not here yet. All right, so we went and we did. By the way, how wanna do otherwise? Enough good.
Sir, we are okay.
Sir, well, for me, I'm fine.
Nice, nice, nice.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I just think say me not calculate the things them good because you see when I put for example X over the overall determinant,
Yeah, get decimal.
and I get decimal, so me
All
know.
right, fair enough.
Sir, I the sign them I make I start the sign them a cause that me I
Yeah.
tell you
Sir, you
it a
know what you
cause
can
it.
tell we? You
The
know what you
sign
can
them.
tell we, sir?
Yeah,
Yes,
I just
sir,
Mm-hmm.
the
want to get
signs. You know what you can tell we, sir?
Mm-hmm. Tell me
So
what we can
you
tell you.
see when you calculate, say you're calculating the determinant for y, and we know say we put the they call it in the bracket, sir. So we put the three columns, and then we do we separate it and get the other three little columns, and we know up to the other columns now where we I don't even know if I explain myself, but sorry,
I
you
think
see
I know what you're talking about.
when we forgot to the next column now, is
Mm-hmm.
there, so the madness go on, sir? Cause maybe we not bracket what for bracket
So, me no know if what
It's
you
certain
hear.
things short
Yeah,
of the
so,
A times B minus C times D. Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. The fourth, when you reach the fourth bracket, there, so.
Fair enough.
There, so the madness always.
All right. Let me encourage you. Is when you're studying, you are going to expect, or you should expect, to get to come across difficulties. What is important, or what should be important to you all, is for you to find strategies in your own little sense to try and remember things so that you can move on from one level to the next. It's going to be very important. Um, Let me tell you what I saw in class on Tuesday. That as I am going to start off with this one, so that Jody and the rest of you who are having difficulties can see where you go wrong, is there are some of you in the class to this day, shut up in your mouth, don't talk to me. I know the ones who always talk. They are the ones that are learning. They may be talking as sister, I don't understand this, but guess what? They are learning. I had an experience this semester. Don't know if I told you, but if I tell you one, I can never hear it before. You know that I was teaching an early morning class on a Tuesday and Thursday, I believe it was, morning, 5 o'clock. And then on a Saturday, for the Heroes Weekend, I had class Thursday, I had class Friday, I had class Saturday, I had class Sunday. Monday, me tell them, say, yo, me I take a break. 4 straight days that. Boom, take a break. So Monday, Tuesday morning, I had class. Tuesday night, I had class to make up for the Monday. And they went and did the exam the Wednesday. A student she just lost it because she said that she just got flustered and she just started, big woman, and she just started to cry. And she lost it. And I felt bad for her because I felt like I was the cause of her breaking down, having this meltdown. And I said, can you just log off? Just go. And she insisted that no, she wanted the whole class here. So she frustrated. And I said, please, just stop. And I wasn't, we call it, host to mute her. And I said, please, just stop. Just stop. There's no need for you to be crying. Just stop. And when she did, and she gone and said, okay, fine. She don't want to stop. I just allow her to go on with her thing. Oh, and I can't be bothered. I said, just relax yourself, no man. I said, relax yourself. What it is that you're doing unnecessarily, you're raising the anxiety no among your classmates. Just relax. I said, do me a favor. Can you log off? Link me. Touch base with me. And then she calmed down. And later on, she touched base. She said, hi, sir. I said, it's sounding much better. I said, what's the problem? And we spoke. We chatted. Do you know that when I marked those papers, that she got the highest on the exam? I'm saying to you, sometimes in life, you feel flustered because you're worried about what is to come. And I am saying to you, relax yourself. Don't get too overly anxious about anything. Don't. She don't know yet, so she get the highest because I still have the coursework pieces because they went off. They never did the mid semester for me because the mid semester should have been done. The exam was a Wednesday. The exam was a Wednesday morning. They should have done the. No, that's not true. Monday. We came back to school the Monday. We came back to school the Tuesday. Yeah, the exam was a Wednesday. They should have done the exam for me later on that week. Thursday, Friday, thereabout. But we closed off school, I think, the same Wednesday after they do the exam. Yeah. School closed off the same Wednesday after they did the exam because of Melissa. And it's for me now to get them to come back to do the stuff. But I'm just saying to you, students, relax yourself. In this life, it's going to be rough. But if you just pace yourself, don't wait until the last minute, then you're going to feel pressured. Pace yourself. you should be good to go. Those are my words of encouragement before the start of the class. Let us go. Question. What did you get for X for number 2? We did number 1 in class. What did you get for X? Y
Sir,
and Z.
So X are the
and you're doing.
Number 2, the one with the 2X.
so the determinant is me get negative by
Negative
negative 191.
No. That's not what I'm asking. What is the value of X? Don't give me the determinant. Give me the value of X.
Forward, sir.
Tell-
Sir, what you talking
Where you
about?
want the column, the 3 column,
All right. So
the three.
we're going back to this again. I asked you this one time and I did a question and said, but sir, that's what we told you. I said, that's not what I asked you though. I'm not asking you for the determinant of X. I'm asking you for the value of X. What was X? What the final answer?
What the 141?
No. Okay.
What
Let me
one?
let me answer the question another way. What was the overall determinant?
Negative
So
5.
negative
Very
one,
wrong.
191 we get, sir.
Negative
Yeah,
191.
negative
What was
191.
what was the determinant of X?
Negative 3, 4, 5. So
I
the
get
one
everybody confused.
wrong.
Sir, first question, like,
Number 2.
Why am I looking for number 2 and I can't find it?
Negative.
sir, I'm now the number in the book.
We don't have no number either.
I'm sure I gave you some questions to do.
Sir, we never number them. We just do them.
Well, the first one is the first one, the second one is the second one. Number 2,
Is number 2 we do, sir? 'Cause we did number 2. We did number 1 in class.
duh. So that's them asking what is number 2. And them say them never numbered. So I say it has to be the second one we have on the paper.
Sir, 20, yeah.
So no, I could charge hold on, you know. Yesterday I was feeling so overwhelmed. Something happened and to some students and I just felt overwhelmed. My head was hurting, my head was pounding. And I was just upset and I was just overwhelmed. I was like, it is just unfair. Unfair. It might probably make me take on too much people business, you know. And I just felt so overwhelmed. And I said to myself, I need a long drive, but I can't take a long drive go North Coast. And I just head downtown and just drive go Port Royal. And drive and just drive. Just take my time and drive. Police couldn't stop me. Come, just said, take my own little time and drive. I'm a drive, I'm a catch a Port Royal. I'm saying, I'm gonna go buy something to eat. Let me reach at the place. Me not have my card with me. Me say, but me can't drive so far and then I got dead for hungry. I'm hungry, you know. Me say, Jaja, this life is not nice. Anyhow, I buck up and find a little change in the bag. And I go out and I say, how much one brown stew fish? They said to me, $3,565. I say, blow out, me dead, cause $3,000 me fine. And I say, no, so me not left it, you know, cause I go eat my brown stew fish today, that me want. I say, fix it up for me, yeah. Hear me, bright. I mean, I have no card, you know. And me tell a lady, fix it up. You know, I'm going to the car and find $100 in the car and finds $265 worth of coin. You see, true me knows a kind of money. Me count up. You want to see? Hey, you know, like when you look a bit, them say you're buckle police. I was a kind police yesterday and I never feel no way. Count out the kind of man with my big $3,000 and the whole and the $265 worth of coins. And I boastfully walk and I just drop it in the lady. And I said, I have coins, you know. She said, that's fine. She said, that's fine. I'm going to get my brown stew fish. I'm going to take my nice little drive, come back home. And when I come back in, say, man, all the fish I'm sorry for. Jesus, Father, it was a sin, Mr. Shan. They can't do them things here.
So you know, I always get back my kinds them though. Me not walk with money either, you know. I
No,
always have
man.
my card with me,
No,
but
I don't,
boy.
and to be honest with you, Chris, I cannot find the I don't know where I put the card. Me don't know where I put the card. So I just say this to say to you that, you know, sometimes we have, and then I am here, you know, eat him in nice like a brown stew fish and all the fish there, and I'm just thinking about those people down at the west who don't have nothing to eat, and you know, and then I thought to myself, one time I just used $3,565 go buy food. And a man would all use that for the whole week to get a meal. And it's just life. I say all of this to say to you students, please make sure that you pass all your courses this semester. You don't have time to fail anything. So those of you who are pussyfooting around, get up and start do some work. The exam is going to be in January. Get up, start working so that you can pass your courses so you can move on. Right? It's rough. Don't add any complications to yourself, but you're going to feel this and go feel that, we're going to find money and do it. You don't have time for that. All right, let's go. So, confirm for me that those are my equations.
Yes, sir.
Great. And I'm putting it in the form Ax equals B. I'm going to have 2, 5, 8, 3, -7, -5, 1, 2, 10, XYZ. In Jesus' name. When you're going at the exam, I see them right. The Z like that because all them going to write the Z, them going to put a stroke in or something. If we don't write it as 2, we're not going to silly. I've had 1 or 2 students who go and say the big Z and write it as 2. Of course, them can't pass the course because them do the question will carry so much marks. Them lose the marks right there, so. Make sure, sir tells you already that the Z's are written like that so that you don't confuse it with a 2. All right, let's go. So calculating. Or incidentally get a mark for this here. You're going to get a mark to write that. All right, let's go now. Time to talk. You see my plus, minus, plus becomes very important right there. Now that I have it, I'm going to be using the first row. Now, hear me out. You can use the first row, you can use the second row, you can use the third row, you can use the first column, you can use the second column, you can use the third column. Here, what my suggestion to you is, let us all use the first row for now until you get very comfortable with it. Then you can start exploring. Before I complete all these questions, I'm going to use another row other than the first row just to show you that we're going to get the same answer. Matter of
Sir, what
fact,
you mean? What you mean? So if I want to start
with the 5 and the
with
-7
the
and the 2,
yeah.
yeah, man, you can use the rows. You can use any row or any column.
Some me that say 5 and then me that say 3, 1,
No,
negative.
ma'am, no. No, you're going to say -5 because remember the sign goes
No,
with it.
sir. Oh, so me that say -5, but then me that use 3,
Mm-hmm.
1,
Mm-hmm.
-5 and
Mm-hmm.
10.
Good job. And then the next one will be what?
The next one would be +7.
No, ma'am.
-7, sorry, sir.
Negatives.
-7.
Mm-hmm.
And then it would be me a rule out hold on there. So then it would be murder. Wait.
One.
Go on. Good.
Right? Oh yeah, 8 and 10.
Good job. Then the
Or
next one will be
-2.
good job. Into.
And then it would be 2, 3, 8 and -5.
All right. Excellent.
Why
All
say
right.
I'm using?
Somebody saying, sir?
Sir, I'm saying it's -3.
Sir, you can fix the screen, please? Because I try to zoom out and to mark.
Sir,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
sir, you understand when I say I'm a 3, a -3.
It won't be -3 because we're only focusing on
The one that go.
no.
Remember, said the signs don't affect what is in the bracket. It only affects the outside number.
What?
Oh, it's a different row, sir.
It's the
No,
second row we're doing.
It's a
That's
different
why.
row,
Second row.
so it confused me because of the first row I start with.
So it's not confusing, Annie. It's not confusing.
Sir,
Molecule. It's not.
eh,
Hold on. Remember, I said to you, you can use any row, any column. I can't just teach you one thing like that because I'm building your confidence as we go along. So as I said to you that I can use any row, any column, I am
Yes,
now
ma'am.
using the second row. So it may look different from what you have. It will not may. It will look different from what you have, but the answers will work out to be the same thing. So it's not a -3; it's a +3 based on what we're looking at here. But you will let me just go and show you what it is. We're using -5. We're taking this out, we're taking that out. So it's going to be 3, 1, -5, 10. 3, 1, -5, 10.
But,
All right.
sir,
And then
Sir, if you're doing the second row, it's not gonna really show me which part I go wrong at the
which is the
calculation
point which is the
part.
point I'm making. But I also want to show you that it works. Right? I want to show you that it works. But this is
Okay.
sir, I don't want you move on. I mean, understand this again, Because I think say, me did understand it the last class, but then it's a one different rule. Why always it +3 and then the sign over it?
Jody,
Jody, for the last time. We are only using the plus minus plus minus plus minus plus for the number on the outside or the something. It does not affect what is on the inside. It does not affect the 2 by 2 matrix.
What?
Jody, don't do that to me, Jody.
Yes, ma'am, because your negative is at the top of the 5, so it's a -5.
Jody, don't do that, Jody.
Yes, I definitely explained the last time. I
But
think it,
make a classmate them answer you.
I think it was go for what in the bracket.
sir,
No,
where
Jody.
you get the -2? Because
Sign is over it.
Okay.
Let me tell you what I figure
I
is
think
happening.
we
And
need to write it down again.
no. Let me tell you what I think is happening. You guys are not. You are multitasking, some of you, and you're not fully focused on it. So because every time I do the the stuff, but sir, I thought that's what you said. No, listen to what I'm saying. Listen to me. The topic is finished already. Kramer's is finished. All I'm doing is giving you some questions, and then I can give you some variations as what was asked earlier in terms of breaking out some of the equations. But just work with me, man. I'm going to say it one more time. I'm not upset, but I just don't want to be saying the same thing over and over and over and over. I want you ask me the question, you make the mistake, and I correct it. Don't make the same mistakes again. All right? 1 minute, please. All right. So I am using this row. I'm using this row because I am just showing you that it works. I can go back to the first row so that you can see where you went wrong. But I just want to do this one so I can show you that it works. All right. So no worries about it. So let me go again now. So because I'm using this row, now I need to use this term, but this is a positive and a negative. So when I multiply it, I'm going to get a -7, which is right here. I'm taking this out and I'm taking that out. So I'm going to have 2, 1, 8, 10. 2, 1, 8, 10. I've done these two already. Now I need to do this one, but a negative sign is atop that. So -1 times +2 is a -2. I'm taking out the column and the row that it appears in. So I'm going to have 2, 3, 8, -5. 2, 3, 8, -5. So I would have set up my series of 2 by 2 matrices, And I'm now about to go ahead and do the calculation. So let's go. -5 into 3 times 10 minus, okay, no problem. I hope it's not too serious. 1 times -5 minus 7 into 2 times 10 minus 1 times 8 minus 2 into 2 times -5 minus 3 times 8. This is -5 into 3 times 10 is 30. Minus 1 times -5 is a +5. Minus 7 into 20 minus 8 minus 2 into -10 minus 3, it's 24. Oh, Jesus. This pen to 3, it's 24 minus 24. And this now becomes -5 times 35 minus 7 times 12 minus 2 times -34. 35 times 5, 5 is 25. 5 3 16, 16, 17, that's 175. 7 2 is 14, that's 84. Plus 68. Oi,
-191.
-191 would be correct.
Yeah.
So therefore, the overall determinant, oh, no, that's not determinant of exertion. The overall determinant is equals to, Brittany, so I'm so glad to see you get it now, good. So you
Sir, I
understand what
get
I'm...
that one right, but we don't know about the other, the X, the Y and the Z, no?
Don't worry about that part, my love. We're gonna get to that shortly. So you follow what I'm saying, students? So whichever row you use or whichever column you use, you should end up with the same answer. I only asked you to do the first row for consistency so that I can be able to see the errors that you are making while we're doing this. So, but once you get confident, you can use any row or any column. All right, let's go. So having calculated the overall
Sir,
determinant.
I
Go ahead.
understand. I don't know. I understand Cremons, but I don't understand indices.
Yeah. You don't understand
Same,
indices? Okay.
sir.
So,
Same.
no, I don't.
Yes,
But I
sir. We
understand.
need an extra
Sir,
class there
Cremons is clear.
Don't worry about it. This
as
is
they.
fine. Don't worry about it.
Sir, we want the extra class.
Not a problem. We
Please,
can look.
sir.
Don't
We can
tie
look
we
at
out.
that.
We're not goating. We're not still.
No, but guess
Don't
what?
tie we out.
Them not have no more goat, because guess what, Brit? The one of them drowned. Sorry, I'm not laughing at them being drowned. I mean, for them being drowned, but yeah, man, Melissa take out the one of the goat them, so we don't have no more goat. I won't do that, man. I don't tell you already, Saying at the Christmas holidays, we are gonna link up, And anybody wanna link with me, I want two before in my car. All right. Come, cause with
Yes,
Sir
sir.
Mark
That's a
paper.
threat. I wonder if you know that I can actually.
Well, guess what? I'm sure when you get your A plus and your B's and your passing grade, we can say, blow, oh, this was good. It was well worth it. Yeah, man, let's go.
Sir, me love how you say your passing grade. Your A and your B and your passing grade. Me love how you say
Straight
that.
up, straight up. I have one of my little church nieces. I was teaching and asked the little picnic sitting one day, and I write a church with a teacher, and I asked the picnic sitting one day, and she tell me foolishness, and me just grab for a mop stick. And when she see me grab for the mop stick, the pitney run. Her mother's a medical doctor. Manant. And me run her down for knock her out with the mop stick. And when her mother come, mommy, uncle, took the mop stick and run me down. Him say him should have clot you if you study. And she said, oh my goodness, mommy, you're my mother and you said that? Him say, yes, all him for do is save the two of them. And I want to tell you, that young girl, but I may tell you, she did CXC math and English in fourth form, and she got 2 grade 1s. For English, she got a straight A profile. For math, she got 2 A's and a B. And the high school that she was at told her that because she didn't get a straight A profile in math, even though she has a 1, she has to do over the exam. No, tell me if that is right. But anyhow, she did it over, and she got her straight A profile this time. And good girl, I saw her on TikTok the other day, and she's saying what she is um completing her PhD in clinical psychology. Now, there's the stories I want to have of you students. Those are the stories that I want to have. But when I see you later on in life, you don't have to call to me, You don't have to call to me. Yeah, man, I got that message. Thanks. You don't have to call to me. But more for sooner in this life on TV, making decisions, and I can say, yes, I'm my student that when I know I had a part to play. So come, let's go. We're calculating the determinant of X. You know what I'm going to do for this one? I'm going to go back to row 1. I'm going to tell you why I'm going back to row 1, because some people are saying that they didn't get negative 191 for that one. So I'm going to go back to row 1. But remember, we're calculating the determinant of X. I'm going to rotate this so that I can have more space, so I can see what is happening. I'm going back to row 1. Jordan, please pay attention here.
Yes, sir.
Please pay attention, because what I'm going to do now is to put 6, 0, 13. I'm going to use 6, 0, 13. And I'm going to use 3, negative 7, negative 5, 1, 2, and 10. But I'm going to have my plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Watch me. I'm using my first row. So it's going to be positive 6 into what?
Negative
Negative
7, negative 5 to 10.
Okay, no problem. And then what is the other one now?
Negative 3,
Good job. Into what?
0, 2,
2,
13,
13, 10.
10.
Excellent. Then what?
Positive 1,
And then very good. And then what?
0, negative 7, 13, negative 5.
All right, I'm pressing pause right here. Some of you catch it. Very good. Some of you catch it. Very good.
For me, understand that the sign them now, sir. My man over this, sir. I mean, back early. So once
No man. Hold on to Jody. I never doubted your competence one bit. So don't you not forget yourself. I've never doubted your competence one bit. You remember say pass this already, but because of the realignment, you remember they tell me that in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So I never doubted your competence one bit. What I'm, however, saying is, if you, I know some of you catch it, if you follow clearly the methodology, you should be fine. And I want you to just follow what is happening. The array of signs only affect the cofactor, the number we're outside of the bracket. It does not, or they do not affect the 2 by 2 matrices. So it's the original elements in the matrices that you'll be using. The original elements in the matrices that you'll be using. Always. Always. Let's go. Okay, Tracy, come, unmute, talk to me. Unmute and talk. Tracy?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I understand like how to do
the calculation them and all, but if you find the determinant to turn on the number them, we don't know.
All right, stop. Say less. Let's go. I'm using -6. All right? Sorry, +6. I'm using the +6 there. Watch what I'm doing. That's why I say I want to write the matrix in using a pen, and then you catch your pencil. Wherever that +6 goes, you take out the column, you take out the row. The column and the row, where it occurs, you're removing them. So all that is going to be left now is this 2 by 2 matrix. So
No,
it's going to
not
be,
that may I talk, so I understand that part there.
at a part of your talk, so?
No, like when you say you find the determinant of X, or yes, and when you have to find Y, or you switch on the number them.
But Tracy, watch me now. That's the easiest something. Me I try find the determinant of X. Now watch that. X.
Mm-hmm.
Because me I try find X, me take out X and replace it with that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, done.
So when you find Y, what you do?
You tell me.
The same thing. Take out the
You
middle
take out
piece
the Y, which are the middle piece.
with this code.
Ask a
Oh,
question. Ask a question about Z now. Let me show you. Ask a question. Say, sir, we need to cut the Z. What you do? See it now?
yes, so sir, when I take out is what you do.
See the Z there, so boom. You take it out and you put that.
Oh,
Everything them ask you to take out,
yeah.
minus it, rub it out, and replace it with
Wait,
the one we say equal to, yeah, that.
whatever you get out there, so any one of the letter you work with, you tip out what they are, replace it with it.
Right, yeah.
Right.
Oh.
Thanks.
You catch it now, Jody Woody? I mean, you catch it now, Tracy?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sir, more them say that one more time.
All right, so let me say it one more time, quick and fast. So you're calculating the determinant of X. I'm taking out, you remember this are X and this are Y and this are Z. Sir, oh, you know that. Watch it. See? X, Y, Z. You see that? So this first column is X and the second column is Y and this third column is Z. All right. So now, if you are calculating the determinant of X, it means then that you're removing the X. And when you remove the X, you're replacing it with the 6, 0, and 13. Well, that's not the X that you're removing, sorry. We're removing this X and we're replacing it with this 6, 0, 13. See here? 6, 0, 13. But we're writing back this one and we're writing back this piece. See it, your word?
Yeah, no, sir. I get it.
Mm-hmm. All right. Let's go.
So, sir, but I
I need to.
practice. Oh,
Go
they
ahead.
take practice today, And they said that determinant, I just put on the book, I look for it, I don't know what I look for, I get it now.
And that's fine. That's fine. That's why I want you to just give me some attention tonight so you can catch, because it's really not hard. It's really not hard. Some students catch it already. I know you all learn at a different pace, so don't think that I'm trying to rush the rest of you. That why you don't catch it when other students catch it. You learn at a different pace. So all I'm just gonna ask you to do is just to look to see, what walk one, and then you'll catch it. Once you catch it, you catch it. You can't lose it. Let me just say one other thing to you before I continue. For those of you, which should be everybody, moving on to year 3, you're going to have just one more math course to do. Just one day. When you finish your year 2 math courses, you're just going to have one day math course to do, which is called operations research. This topic,
You teach that?
no, but this topic comes back into operations research. So let me tell you something. Sometimes the questions in operation research come for 20 marks, and them say answer 3 questions and one full question of Kramer's. Yo, you box off that because you understand that from pre-calculus. Whop, 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 20 out of 20. And then they just run for two other things. Them have some things where them call some other thing, row echelon, and then something there with the same matrices, whop, 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 that you get another 20 mark. A 40 with a 40 gone already, right? I have had students who, I've heard of students who get 98, 99 in an operations research because some of the topics are carried forward. So that's what I'm saying to you. Just try and understand this because you're not doing it for this pre-calculus alone. You're preparing yourself also for your A in operations research, which is in year 3. All right, let us continue. It's going to be 6.
Oh, sorry. So before you continue, what I'm gonna ask is why we just decide say we are gonna make X, Y, and Z go down in our column. Why we never go X, Y, Z in our row, like rows?
Because XYZ, Jody, is not the row. Let us look at it. When you look at the row, this 2 is X, this 3 is Y, and this 3 is Z. Talk truth. You see it?
Oh, so we be stuck on half of the question, half of the initial something.
Duh.
But I think I just a rule. Like
No, man. It is a rule. It is a rule, Jody. But I can't go across. I can't go
always
across. I can't say it again.
the question never always come like that. X, Y, and Z in our rule.
Every single time, Jody. Yeah, man. I tell you, every single time.
Every single. All right, sir.
Yeah, man. Look your mommy. Except for going on one road, Jody, you gotta have X, Y, and Z together. 3 different something. But when you go into the column, watch the screen. All of that down there is a column. All of that down there says X. Watch the second column. Boom. All of that are Y. You can see that all of that are Y?
Yes, sir. True.
And then when you come here, so all of that are Z. So it is really a rule. It is really a rule that when you go to another column, the first column are X, the second column are Y, and the third column is Z. And that's why I like the questions coming in, because every time you do something, you're seeing something new. And there's somebody who maybe in the class tonight just know, never did know, so always, every time it take a work like that, and you'd have asked, help them to understand that. So please keep your questions coming. All right, continuing. Negative 7 times 10. Minus 2 times negative 5. Minus 3 into, 0 times 10. Minus 2 times 13. Plus 1 into 0 times negative 5.
Sure.
Yes, please.
Negative 7 times 13.
Very good. Thank you.
The
Go ahead.
first bracket, why you put, where you have the 2 times negative, why you put a negative instead of a positive there? Plus there, so sir.
Why I put I don't have a plus there.
Sir, you don't bracket that 0 here, right here, so beside the 3 now.
The negative 7 times 10, why not have a plus sign there, so instead of the negative minus 9?
Why I don't have a plus sign where? Right in here, so?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you notice everything here have a negative sign.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't ready to do the multiplication yet. Multiplication part matters now. Watch me. 6 into negative
Negative
70
70 plus
plus
10.
10. You see money?
Yes, sir.
Negative
Sir, that is minus
0.
6. It should be positive 6.
I drew the
The
thank you.
arrow.
Thank you. I drew the arrow, but the arrow part never came out. The pen is troubling me again. 2 times 13 is 26. Thanks though.
Minus 26 plus 1, 0 plus, that 91.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Sir, why you put 10 right there, sir?
2 times 5.
Sir, why you have 0 this so?
Me don't know. I depend, no. Sure.
Sir, no, yeah.
No, how you have 0 minus 26? It's supposed to be 1.
No, because any number times 0 is 0.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Brittany. Brittany.
What am I thinking is 1? Sir, make me stress out.
0 times anything is 0, Brits. All right, let's go.
And now me know where me go short.
That is 6. 6 times negative 60
Good job.
minus 3 times negative 26
Love that.
plus 1 times 91.
Love the sound of that. Minus 360.
And yeah, plus 78 plus 91.
How much that be?
Negative 191.
Everybody got the negative 191 right here, sir?
Sir, me know me go short. Me did get negative 193.
Oh, because you had okay, got you. So it's you make me go back to the row one, because you say
Sir,
you never get.
is which rule you say any number times that give you 1?
If you put it in the calculator, it get the 0 as well, so
No,
you
but just
can
remember,
try it.
right? Just remember, Brits, that when they multiply 0 by anything is 0.
It's true, but there is a rule that says something multiply.
Oh, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. But when I
Sir,
raise
that me
nothing,
have in my head. I'm gonna put the 1.
you try take it out, because we now do not indices, yes, so.
You have to go write that down,
Matter of fact, so we should have charged Brittany over $1,000.
Sir, I'm broke until paid.
All right, yeah, man. Negative 191. So therefore, look at what I'm going to do. Delta x over delta is going to be equal to negative 191 over negative 191. That is x is equals to 1. Now, when I ask you what's the value of x, what I was expecting your class to say to me is 1. Don't tell me negative 191. That's not the value of x.
Sir, I said 1.
Me never hear you.
I did say it though.
But
it wasn't for this question. It was for the other question, the number 1.
No, man, that's last week. Me not talk about last week. Me I talk about tonight, man. Tonight me I talk about. Because when I was asking the question, people are saying to me, negative 191. And I'm saying to myself, that sounds like the overall determinant. And then I said, okay, say less. Let me just go ahead and just do it and show you. So here how we're going to speak about it now. We're going to speak about it in this way. When I ask you for the value of x, you're going to say to me x is equals to 1. When I ask you for the determinant of x, the determinant of x is going to be negative 191. When I ask you for the overall determinant of x, it's going to be negative 191.
Wait there, sir. Wait there. You go too fast. Me, I write it. So the value is 1.
The value is 1. The value of x is 1.
Mm-hmm.
But the overall determinant of x is negative 191.
Okay.
Right. The overall determinant of x is negative 191. The determinant of x is also negative 191. But the value of x is when you divide the overall determinant of x by the overall determinant. So it's going to be negative 191 over negative 191, and that is going to give you 1.
Sir.
Follow me? Yes, please.
Oh, yes, sir. You said the overall is the 191 and the value is 1.
Right. Right.
Sorry, you want we do over 3?
You could do that for me, Jody. Somebody was coming in though, but yes, Jody. All right.
Sir,
Sorry.
hold on, because I just realized something.
Go ahead.
So for the that would have been the second line.
Mm-hmm.
So I had negative 70 minus and then a negative 10 in bracket.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the last part, I had 0 minus and then in brackets negative 91.
And that to be correct.
So I did that because I didn't want to lose track of the sign.
And that's correct. And that's correct.
Okay.
And then the other line now will be, and then I'm hoping that you had this in that line, 1 times positive 91.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you're good.
I
You're good,
just
man.
wanted to make sure that line,
full
that
marks.
row that I did is fine. Okay.
Full marks. Next. Okay, so I hear Jody asked, had a request.
Sir, I have a question.
Go ahead.
So therefore, the determinant of X, Y, and Z must equal the same
No,
answer.
no, no, no. It so happens that the questions that I've given you so far have the same answers for X, Y, and Z, but it will not necessarily be the same answer for X, Y, and Z. Normally, when I'm introducing the topic, I write questions where both of them are the same, so you can see what is happening. But following maybe like the third question they're about, you can recognize now that the value of X, Y, and Z will all differ. All right. I think somebody said to me that, sir, I was doing the question when I calculate the value of X, I was getting a decimal point. All right. Not that you can't get a decimal, but the decimal that we give you are the ones that are terminating or recurring. So you can see. It's the one where I go along all over the place like 4.2389054 that don't terminate or recur. We not give them the one there. So if you get a decimal like that, sitting wrong. I'm going to come back to that statement that I just made. So if you don't understand it, you're going to hear it one more time. Because I promise you that I'm coming back to it tonight. But Jody made a good suggestion. Okay, sir, like how we know, get a little bit more knowledge on it. Can we just do the determinant of Y and Z for me, please, sir? I said, sure. And I want you to do Y and Z for me. I will come back and I will do it with you. But I want you to get an opportunity to do it on your own. Somebody was coming in. Who is that?
Sir, what you say? We must the two.
No, man.
Oh,
I want
why?
to calculate the determinant of Y, and then I'm going to ask you to calculate the determinant of Z. I'm not doing it. I want you to do it.
Sir, did you make an information sheet for this topic?
Did I? I don't know. I could. You want? So you're asking me to do one, brother? All
No,
right.
me alright, sir, but I realize there's somewhat
Some
like
students.
them,
All right.
yeah.
So do me a favor. You know what to be nice
Some
of me,
people learn different.
Christoph. You know what I'd love for you to do.
No, sir.
You write the information sheet and send it to me, and let me correct it, and then I can send it out to the class. So that's all.
Sir, interest.
Because right there and then now, I will know if you fully understand it, and then you can share your knowledge with the other students. All right, Pops?
Yes, sir.
All right, easy. All right, guys, I'm going to put on a timer. I'm going to give you 6 minutes to do the determinant of Z for me. Start for me. Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm gonna make a try number 3 tonight.
We're doing
Cause
all
that
these
one there,
questions. We're doing all
that
the questions tonight. What time is it now?
one there, the killer, you know,
Yeah,
sir.
man. We have an hour left. So we're finishing the 3 questions that I gave you for homework tonight. Because all I'm doing tonight is a screamers. All right? So start for me, please. Quick and fast.
Stop the timer. And
The timer is there. The timer is there.
Sir, oh, me end up with 193. We know I can't check in, but this look very bad.
Yeah, the zero, the 0 times.
Oh, me end up with that. Because me know that wrong, you know what? I can't see where it wrong. Oh, okay. Never mind.
All right, good. All right, so Brit's got Britley got what of buff negative 191 again, Brit.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, good. Anybody else got anything other from than negative 191?
And
Sir, me not done it, you know?
Jeez, and peace. 2 more minutes. Come on, quick
Yeah.
and fast.
So I
2
did do
more
the questions them already, you know, but
Good job.
just do them over because I realized we are went wrong.
Okay, good job. Good job.
You
Two,
know how much we get.
all right, 2 more minutes.
Anne-Marie, how much I get?
when I finish it.
Okay.
Sir, remember tell you what beat me. You see one time, sir, you hear me?
Yeah, man.
You see one time I do up my bracket, them I make my gun down in it. You see the sign them with the, like one time me I say, like me that say, 2 times -8. The look bracket them second look bracket there. And that always a mash me up. Cause when time reach on the bottom, I say, but the answer you no look too right.
Just take
So
your
me
time
just,
right there, so.
yes, I'm just rub it out and me start over
Yeah,
now.
man.
Me get
Yeah, man.
it.
So when you get down in it, you know, me understand when you get down on something, you know, because
Yeah, me just a writing them, sir.
Manique, me can ask you a question. The rest of you close your ears and don't listen to my question. Manique, me ask you a question. Say you eat a nice oxtail and bungo rice and peas. And when you go down in it, you know, and you get down in it and you go on and you angry yourself, you know, and you see one fly, you gonna stop eat?
Sir, the eating of a start there, so me can't
You lucky, me a funny mouth.
Sir. Sir, after my daddy, I get down in the writing, you know, when me reach down at the bottom, I say, no man, but the answer, yeah, if me even divide this by this, it not gonna work out to not answer some decimal. Me I say, no, this wrong. So me just rub it out and start over.
Boy, so me not see what me go wrong a while ago. I can't find it.
I like me I say me not so
Because it
wrong.
look fine to me, except me not sure.
Yeah, mine so but me not get 191, so that's I want -1, so I don't know where me go wrong.
How much I get, Jody?
-504.
But
My
at the
dear.
sign, at the sign.
At the sign.
Yeah, look again at the sign there, man, cause it mash me up for true.
No, man, you can't get that Jody Woody. Come on, Jody Woody. Come on, Jody Woody. So, money, on a serious note, you gonna stop eating oxtail and rice and peas right there, Jody?
Yes, sir, my stomach can't manage them.
But Jody, but you don't eat the rest of it. Let me don't want to ask you. Let me ask the man them. Christoph, you don't continue eat it, Fabian. You what? Where that do?
Sir, don't
Yeah,
ask
when I
or
take out the
anything.
fly
Sir,
pot.
don't ask or nothing.
Yeah, when I eat it, kind of to me already at a restaurant.
Brittany, leave me alone.
Sir,
But
-1.
when I continue eat.
Oh, you mean?
Come on,
You eat,
bless it and brush it.
Bless it and brush it. Him go in there dry him, come out dry, fan him off. And make
Yeah,
sure no gravy not upon
scrape
him.
out the fly pot.
I scrape out the fly
Sir,
pot.
him
I
just
mean,
pitch pan it or you find it in a the food bed or
find
something.
it in something.
No, sir, me can't.
Sir, my appetite lost. Sir, my appetite gone.
So one fly can eat off a
I
plate
can't
of
work
food.
out the question when I see what's going go wrong because me not see it.
Sir, you know what you have to tell them? If mine right, sir, you see, if mine right, let me tell them, cause boy, me did a struggle with it. Me don't know if you're right yet, you know, me get -191. So
Well, that is correct. You know what I think. Anne-Marie, not Anne-Marie, is Jody. Jody, you know what I think you do? Well, Jody, tell me if I get. Jody, tell me if I get. Is you get the 500 or something, Jody?
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on. Look at this and tell me if you have this, Jody.
Sir?
I'm trying to write it, but the pen was off.
Oh.
258, then 6013, and then 1210. You have that, Jody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that's not the problem. All right, good. I'm trying to diagnose what the problem is.
Now we could say everything, say what go wrong to get 27.
Go ahead.
You want me to spell out everything I'm asking? I tell me go wrong?
No, man. I want to look at it. I want to do it, and then you are going to tell me where you go wrong so I can see what is happening. And the rest of you do that. Anytime you say I do something here, so and you don't get what I have, just pause me. I'm using the first row. 2 into 0 to 13, 10. You have that, Jody?
Sir, and a 6 to start from.
Jesus.
No, sir, where you get that from?
Because remember say yeah use is either yeah use the first column or the second column or the third column. Or yeah use the first row, second row, or third row.
And apart from that,
and remember say when you do
different something.
remember so when you each time when you find the determinant of each letter, the x, the y, and the z, you have to change out which column. So if at the x you try find, you change out the x column to the 6, the 0, and the 13. If at the y you try find, you change out the y column to the same 6, 0, and 13. Z, you change it out. So when you start it now, if at the first column you use, you have to use the 2, and then you'd use a -6 for the other sorry, we call that
the second term.
The second term, and then you'd use 1 for the third term.
That's not what I did, sir. I use 6, 0, and 13.
Okay, hold on. All right, fine. Okay. So I was waiting to hear what it is that you use. And for your sake, I'm going to use it because that could be used as well.
And
so
I
that
get the
means
same answer.
You should get the same answer. So you're using the second column. Okay, so forgive me, guys. I'm going to use the second column to appease Jody. So the first term, the cofactor is going to be -6. Do you agree with that? The rest of you look and see if I'm correct, please. -6. Watch me now, Jody. Watch me.
And it's gonna be 0.
Oh.
So I'm taking out the row and the column that it appears in. So I'm gonna have 8. I'm gonna have 5, 2, 8, 10 that are left. And then 0. Remember the 0 now? I'm gonna take out the. I'm gonna have 2, 1, 8, 10.
And then you're gonna have -13.
-13, correct.
Then you're gonna have 2, 1, 5, and 2.
Correct.
Okay, sir. So you can do it either row or column.
So me say.
Okay.
All right.
So now, so you're gonna have -6 times 5 times 10.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Minus 2.
Sir, you hear me?
Hold on. Go ahead. Yeah, me hearing you, Jody.
Wrong. Initially, I was planning to use 6, 0, 13. But if I'm right 13, to me right fast, I think at 10 my right. So how long would I calculate with 6, 0, 10? That's why I get that, sir. You see, my God, sir. But no, me I don't know. But this is an honest mistake.
Still gonna charge you. Anyway, we're gonna continue with it.
You continue.
Plus 0, 2 times 10.
Do I have to write anything right here, sir? Because 0 times anything is 0, don't it?
Yes, sir, but you know you have to make your remember how our brain work, you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to tell you a secret though. Whenever you get a 0 row and a 0 column, always run for the 0 row, 0 column because you have less calculation to do. So I am not going to write out 2 times 10 minus 1 times 8 because all of that will still work out to be 0. Why? Because of this 0 that is going to be
Anything
multiplied by right
times
here.
0.
Right. So I'm just going to put that extra because there's nothing there. So, and then move to the other one now. So it's going to
So
be,
it's 2 times 2.
good job,
1 times 5.
minus 1 times 5. Good
Yeah.
job. You follow what I just said a while ago?
No, I make some mistakes, sir. So I forgot to go over them.
If I make mistake, I use the first row. I'm gonna know I'm go wrong after that. So
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, the same thing me do too.
So how much when you get when you use the first row?
you know wanna know.
No, but me want to know. Me
Only
want to know.
200 and something.
You get enough.
So all right. So for the final answer down at the bottom, you get negative 52
No.
minus 204 plus 65. Cause of the first.
Yeah, that me get
Yeah. So that's supposed to be negative 191.
191, yeah.
Yeah.
Somehow my 52 positive.
Because you know put back the because 0 minus 26 are equal to negative 26 at that.
At that, you know? At that.
Yeah, at that.
Hold on, say that again, because I have I have negative 26. I don't see where I went wrong after that line.
All right. So when you do your calculations up at the top, you're gonna get 2, and in bracket you're gonna have 0 minus 26 minus
Right.
6. In bracket 50 minus 16 plus 1. In bracket 65 minus 0. So you're supposed to get 2, negative 26 minus 6, 34 plus 1, 65 in bracket.
Right.
So then 2 times negative 26, I gonna give the negative 52.
Right.
And then the negative 6 times the 34, I gonna give negative 204.
Right.
And then the 1 times the 65, I gonna give 65. And then
So
all of that
end up
work out to
193. And that I have.
But you
Father,
can't have
God tell us to put-
193
You have to
if you
put
have
in the calculator negative 52 minus 204
204 plus 65.
Sorry, Molly, you can repeat this. 2 times 0 minus 26.
Yeah, so that's supposed to give you
Negative 2 times
26,
26, right? And then
yeah.
I have plus 6.
No, minus. The
Minus
6
6.
cannot be negative positive. Because up at the top, you remember the plus minus plus minus plus,
Yeah.
it have to be a negative 6.
So it remains as negative right here. So.
Yes.
So then it's minus 6 times negative 50.
No, positive 50.
Positive 50 minus 16.
Yeah.
Minus the 1.
No, plus 1.
Plus 1, sorry.
Yeah.
Plus 1 times 65 minus 0.
Yeah.
All right, so that's decimal go wrong. That's why I'm gonna get the 27.
Oh.
So
I don't know. I have all of that, but I don't know. Or I end up with negative 193 at the end. As I said, maybe it was me can't check.
You get it now?
Yeah, no, is somehow because I have all of that, but somehow when I did the negative 52 minus 204 plus 65, I don't see how I got 193.
Do me a favor, do me a favor, Brittany. Put the numbers in the calculator now and tell me what you get.
Sir, Bill, no?
Well, say it again.
Yeah, sir, let's leave that, man. Leave that.
No. I'm just no.
Sir, she gets it now. She gets it now.
Sir, we get it now.
Oh, you get it now. I'm going to tell you what.
But I don't see how I got. I don't see how I got 193 before.
I'm going to tell you how you got it though, and I'm gonna use you as an example for the whole class. Whenever you take up your calculator to do any calculation, please to make sure that you clear the calculator because your calculator sometimes store the answer that you did from the last question. And when you're calculating, you're putting the current numbers in the calculator, but because it already has something stored inside there, you're going to get a wrong output. So for me, let me tell you one of the things that I normally, because I just grab my calculator and start punching numbers sometimes, But guess what? I normally do my calculation 2 times. So when I punch in and get an answer, I'm punch in one more time to confirm the answer. And when I clear, and at which point in time, the second time, I'm going to clear the calculator. And when I clear the calculator, if I get a wrong answer or I get an answer that differs from the one I got before, I'm going to do the calculation a third time. Just the last line where you can push everything into the calculator and get the answer. But get into the habit, students, of um, clearing your calculator first, because your calculators sometimes store the information, and then that's how you get the wrong answer out of the calculator.
So, sir, if we are check 3 and 4 times, the time not up.
No, sir. No, sir. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Brittany. Um, you see, okay, it's a Monicue now. Monicue understand Kramers. Me not ask you. Me I tell you she can angle that. So somebody take out your calculator for me, please. 20. Multiply 20 by 1.5 until what you get.
Sir, what you said?
20
30.
multiplied by 1, you get
30.
30. Right.
30.
So technically, how the exams normally set up, you normally get a minute and a half per mark. A minute and a half per mark. So if a question comes for Kramers for let me just check up something before we even run off a mouth, 3 and 3, 6, 80. Multiply 80 multiplied by 1.5 until how much you get? 80, 60, 70, 80. That's 120. Yeah, 120, don't it? 80 times 1.5.
120.
120. 120 divided by 6 is how much? 2?
I think.
Mm, right. So your paper is marked out of 120. Rubbishness. Your paper is marked out of 80. When you multiply 80 by 1.5, you're going to get 120. 120 divided by 6, you get 2. You get 2 hours to do the exam. 2 hours to get to do the exam. For each mark that you're collecting, you should spend a minute and a half per mark. So what you're doing, students, is if you're doing a question for 20 marks, 20 times 1.5 is 30 minutes. So it means that you should not spend more than 30 minutes on Kramers. Think about it, 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Calculation,
Huh?
So I'm calculating.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that, sir. This question took up about 30 minutes.
But guess what? It take up 30 minutes now because you're learning it now. That's the point I'm making. So I'm saying to you already, I know if I give Monique one of these questions to do, she can do the question in about 20 minutes. Because the point I'm making, Brittany, is
Yeah, I
that
understand, sir.
right. It's a once you understand the topic, it is not going to take you that length of time to do it because you understand what it is that you're doing. The students who go into the exam and say the exam hard is because they never studied. They never practiced enough. So the moment you understand and you can practice and do the stuff, 30 minutes. I mean, I can do a Kramer's question groups in about 10 minutes. Why? Because me know me I do, I know the shortcuts, and I know the stuff. So if you go into the exam and you can do Kramers in 20 minutes, write this and then you save 10 minutes so you can spend one extra 10 minutes on the question where you don't know how to do. And that's why when you go into the exam, you do the questions that you have most information about because you spend less time on it. I wouldn't want you to go into the exam and answer one question when you don't have much time. I say, try me go to Kramers, that's coming no Kramers. You may spend so much time that you only have 10 minutes left to do the Kramers, and you can't do the Kramers in 10 minutes, so therefore you lose the 20 marks. So you're going to the exam and answer the question that you have most information about. Put up those marks quick and fast. There's a strategy to it. There is no way that say, when I have to answer question 1 first and then answer question 2. Like, no. You know what me do? Me go to my essay part of question first. I go
Sir,
to my
so
essay
me go
part.
to work to sir.
Yeah,
Do
man.
what me know.
And do what you know first and put on the mark there. Let's go. Let's go to the last part. Oh, I'm home. All right, let's go. So therefore, delta y over delta is going to be equals to 1921 over 1921. That is y is equals to 1. So now I'm going to calculate
Sir, hopefully this answer right.
What you get?
Sir, me get negative 189.
No, check it again. Check it again. Check it again. Check it again. What happened now?
For the last one,
258.
I get negative 191 also.
Yeah,
So
man, that's correct.
Y and X.
That is correct.
Right.
Mean if you change them question and I come in and going at the exam and thing, so you go get everything or for this up them all the time. Or this gonna 258. 258.
3, -7, -5, 6, 0, and 13.
Good job.
So that's gonna be 2.
No.
What are you, sir?
Plus, minus, plus, minus,
Oh.
plus, minus, plus.
Yes,
Sure.
yeah, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus.
Let me check your lunch
And
money
then,
for tomorrow now.
sir, me always write it in and I forget to say it.
Nice job.
So then it's gonna be 2.
No, can I do something, please? Watch me. All of you look here, please. All of you look here. And this is a thing I want to point out. And I think Jody started the conversation, and I want to end the conversation. Jody, Jody, why you so silent? Me not like why you so silent, you know, Jody.
No, sir, me get it now, you know, sir. So me just there go and lock in. But me there.
Big up your good self. Watch me now. Is it any row or any column that has a 0 in it? Try and work for that row or column. Why? Because instead of doing 3 different calculations now for the matrices, you end up having 2. Because one going to be equals to 0. Remember this one here is only 2 we work for this one because this one was 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So that's one of the shortcuts to it. If you're going to the exam and say something like that, boom, you spend less time to the question because you know the tricks to say it's a 0. It don't make sense to go and calculate the determinant of that 2 by 2 matrix, because when I calculate the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, 0 times the determinant is 0. Very good. End up with 0 nonetheless. All right.
Sir,
So
me
I am
get
going to
191 now.
good job. Good job. I am going to use the third column. So I'm going to say 6. You tell me the matrix now, please. 6. And what's the matrix?
2, 3, 8, -5.
No.
No, sorry, sir. 5, -7. 8, -5.
You didn't know what is nice tonight.
Why?
All right. Good job.
And then it's gonna be the 0.
Right. So minus 0.
Minus 0. And then
Plus.
nothing.
Plus what?
And then it's gonna be 13. 2, 3, 5, -7.
All right, very good. All right, I'm gonna pause right here, Sandos. And just load up a people or two. Kayla, can you unmute for me, please? I've never heard you speak to me in class. You understand where I'm going? Kayla, Chino, Liana, Wagwan.
Yes, sir.
You know Wagwan?
Yes, I know what's going on.
Okay, good job. Liana, oh, you stay? All right, she gonna sleep. Linford Harris, long time I don't see you, brother. Oh, you stay, Linford? Latoya, oh, you stay? Pat me, listen to me. Me want you talk to me, Rowana, she
Sir,
talk
go
early.
again with the negative 0 plus 13.
You see, I'm going to take away your lunch money for tomorrow. All right, I soon got through that. Sasha Juan.
I'm here.
Me no want you be here alone. Me want you to talk to me. Or else I'm going to complain to my nephew or my niece about you not paying attention. Shake, how you stay? Simma. I don't understand. Simma, you keep malice with the teacher?
Sir?
You keep malice with the teacher?
No, sir, but I get it.
So talk to me, let me know you get it, no mums.
But sir,
Me want
you
want
talk
hear
it
from you.
over and over again,
No,
say then,
me want hear. Dana
sir,
Topper.
me get full marks for this question, yes, sir.
Yeah, better make sure. Dana Topper. Dana Topper. All right. I'm gonna call Alicia and complain to Alicia. So when I call you in class, you don't answer me. You don't think so I remember, man. I'm gonna call Alicia and tell Alicia. I'm calling this
Sorry,
child.
sir,
Yes, please.
it's the last question I really
I have
concerned
a problem
about.
with. All right, no
But
problem.
yes.
I'm going to do the last question before I do the third question.
Okay.
All right, cool. I'm just concerned that these students in the class not talk to me at all. Um, Tommy,
Yes,
just me
sir.
now. Me now hear from you, man. What go on?
He said something about negative 13 plus 3, negative 0 plus 13, you know.
Big up your good self. We don't want your voice again. That's why I'm call you. And Tracy Wasey, me hear from Tracy. Moisha, a long time in the area. Talk to teacher, man. Sure.
Sir,
Then. Go ahead.
sir, I understand.
You
I just had
understand?
a little issue with the yeah.
Good job. Then.
Sir, be laggard, but be a battle the flu.
Oh, Jesus, it sounds awful. Woo. Osh, 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 osh. All right, good. So um, that is the ones that I've not heard from. Andrika, when I hear you talk to me, I don't own name, so. Aaron, you.
Yes,
He's
sir.
at work, sir.
Okay, all right. I so. All right, let's go. Let's go. -6. No, 6.
Positive 6,
Right. 5 times
negative
-5
5,
minus.
minus negative 7 times 8,
Good job.
minus 0,
Mm-hmm.
plus 13, 2 times negative 7, minus 3 times positive 5.
Good job. $25 and 631.
Yes, sir.
6 3s are 18. 186 minus. I don't know that. What is 13 times 29? That's enough something. Me hungry. How much
Lord.
that?
Sir, well, and let me calculate that. 13 times negative 29, negative 3,
377.
77,
And when you subtract 81, when you add 81, negative 186 to that, we get.
plus 186, negative 191.
So now delta Z, which is equal to 191, all the way over delta, which is the same 191, I can conclude that Z is equals to 1. Boom, bam, done. All right. So Jody, stop talking to me because Jody catch her mistake and Jody understand.
No, they are, sir.
Britley, see where she went wrong. Anne Marie, stop talking to me because Anne Marie know where she went wrong now. So you see, students, all you have to do is just lots of practice. All right? Now, let me drum to. You have a question. Go ahead for me, please, Drika. Drika, talk now. Woohoo.
Sir, maybe she
Sir,
try type because she can't talk.
Oh, she can't talk. Oh, all right. Well, I should try to get her voice.
Sir, write the equation for number 4 in the
Yeah,
meantime.
that's what I'm doing. Well, I should try. Oh no, that's one look ugly.
sir,
Jeez.
It's ugly
no
for
must have
true,
tried
sir.
sir.
Who would give you a
Must
question like that, though?
you
Sir,
sir?
said that
Sorry,
all
say,
the
say it again.
answers don't have to be the
Are
same.
you going to do it or we must try?
No, I'm going to do it because you would have gotten the chance to do it already. You can say, oh, Jesus. Brittany, no, you don't have to all get the same answer. X, Y, and Z don't have to be the same answer.
Sorry, because sometimes when I get the same answer, I'm afraid, you know.
Ah,
Majority of the time, all three answers come to be the same.
So remember tell you when me not fret, when me not get the same answer. It's when time I work it out and I get a even number, then me I say, all right, this don't look too bad. But when me get the decimal them with the 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that make me fret.
And you should fret. Because when you get the decimal place with 7, 8, 9, 10, it's sitting around. So you should fret when you get that. All right, number 4.
4x.
Yeah, thank you. 4x.
Plus 7y. Plus 8z. Equals 17. And then we have 8x minus 3y plus 9z equal 10. And then we have 6x plus y minus z equal 3.
Sir, Andrika question is, sorry to cut you.
Go
Andrika
ahead.
question is what? Hold on. When finding the determinant of x and we plug in 6, 0, 13 in the slot. Let me read that again. When finding the determinant of x and we plug in 6, 0, 13 in the slot. That's what she asks.
Yeah. The answer is yes. So when you find the determinant of x, you're removing what the original x something is, and you're going to drop in the 603. I think of that. Determinant of x, yeah, 6013. You're finding the determinant of x, so you're going to take out what the x1 was originally, and then you're going to drop in what the b is. Remember, we talk about ax equal b. So you're going to take out all of the the column x and drop in what it is equals to, which is a 6013. And that's how you're going to end up getting 3 different matrices now to calculate the determinant of x. You're going to do the same thing for the y column to calculate the determinant of y. You're going to do the same thing for the z column to calculate the determinant of z. Hope that works. Let me go back here. So we spoke about x to be equals to 1, y equals 1, z equals 1. When you get your answer, you can double check it. What is 2 times? Look at the screen. I'm right here. Oh, crap. I'm right here. The value of x is 1, the value of y is 1, the value of z is 1. 2 times 1 is?
2.
Good. Plus 3 times 1 is?
3.
2 plus 3 is?
5.
And when you add a 1 for the z, we can get 6. Is this equals to 6?
Yes, sir.
All right, it fits the first one. You can't just try the first equation and say, oh, it worked for the first equation, moving on. It must satisfy all the equations. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
All right. There's a call that is coming in on my device, and it so happens the same person who called me yesterday, and I answered the person to say that I'm in a class. It's a past student, and then I lost my whiteboard permanently, so I'm not answering this call again. So I can't write. I have to wait until the call stops here. So give me a minute, please. I lost my whiteboard totally last night. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Sir, which question this?
Yes,
The last
sir.
one. The
A
last
0.
one.
It worked out to 0.
All right, cool. I am
That's
back
the last
now.
one?
Yeah, the
Don't
last
even
one.
know what is happening. What is happening? I'm
Number
totally
2.
lost.
Number 2, it must say because we find the determinant of x and the determinant of x is the value of x, sorry, is 1. When you plug it in at the equation, so like the 2x, the x, you're going to replace the x with 1. The y, you're going to replace the y with 1. And the z, you're going to replace the z with 1. That's the original question, because remember, so we'll find out the value for them down at the bottom. So now when you work it out, so 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, and then 1, the z are 1. So it equal back to the 6.
Very good.
Okay.
And then 5 times 1 is 5. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Watch me. 5 minus 7 is minus 2.
Yeah.
And then z is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So it worked for this one and that one. Check this one quick and fast. That's 8 minus 5 is 3, and 3 plus 10 is 13. Boom. We know our answer right. You cannot come out of an exam now and don't know if where you get for your answer right. Because you know how to check your answer. If you in the exam, I'm not do number 3 yet. I'm going to do number. Students were asking for 4. The last one, I'm saying give problems.
Repeat that because I did not get that.
Substitute your answers into the original equation, and it should give you it should let you know if you're right or wrong. It should come out to what it's equal to.
Huh.
Now let's go.
Sir, is y that?
Why what?
A y
X
equal.
X.
Sir, I need some clarity on something. Based on what Andrea was saying. Should I go ahead?
Go ahead.
All right, she was saying for X, right? We went across to 6, 3, and 1, right? We're looking on X. Where it says calculating the determinant of X, we went to 6, 3, and 1. And for Y now, we went down to 6, 0, and 13. Why you did it that way?
Because I can use any row or any column to do my calculation. I can use any row or any column to do my calculation. Last class, I only did the first row with you all the time because what I wanted was some levels of consistency. So when we all use the same row, when I am doing the question, you can easily see where you would have gone wrong. Now that you've gotten a little bit of maturity with the question, I am telling you the full truth that you can use any row or any column.
So yeah, so it could have been 6, -0, and 13 instead of the
Right.
6, 3, and 1. Right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It could also be 13, the positive 5, and the 10. It could be the 0, the -7, and yeah, man. And the reason I did it this way because somebody did do, I think it was Jody did do something with the -6. I said, okay, fine, let me just do that row. So please remember, you can use any row or any color. You cannot go along a diagonal though. You are not allowed to go along a diagonal. But you can go any row.
Sir, meaning that the 6, -7, 8?
6, -7, and 10.
And 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Which part me there? No, sir, me there somewhere.
You can't go so, or you can't go so. You see the
Sir,
X? It
you're
means
on
you
the
can.
board?
Yes, ma'am.
But me not see you. Come on, so. Which part? Where you at? You have to see it. Where you at, sir?
I'm right here, Priscilla.
All right. Me see it something now. Yeah. All right, go ahead now.
So I'm just saying you can't go along the diagonal, and you can't go along the diagonal.
Yeah, that's
You
what
see
I'm
the X?
talking about. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah, but it said 8. It's supposed to be 10 though. It said 8, so that's why Monique was
Oh,
correcting you.
something I'm seeing in my book. Sorry.
Okay. Yup, yup, yup. All right, let's go. All right, I'm calculating the determinant of. Oh no. I forget that I had it in. I'm calculating the determinant of no, the overall determinant. I'm sorry.
So I go right back the 4. Seven, 3, 1, 8, 9, -1. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus.
You remember now? Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. All right. Somebody determine which column I want to use. Or row.
Sorry, I use the first column.
All right. First row or column?
Row.
Sir, we
First
can't
row.
use the
First
9.
row.
You can't use what?
So I
Never
use
mind. Use the
4.
first row.
All right.
4.
4. What's the matrix?
-3, 9, 1, -1.
Then
Minus
-7.
7. I will have 8, 9, 6, -1.
Then
Plus 8. We're gonna have 8, -3, 6, and 1.
good job.
Then we'll have 4, 3. Mighty God, what this? Oh yeah.
I want you to talk to me, and let me know if what I'm writing is foolishness.
Yes, sir.
And
Minus 9 times 6. Plus 8. 8 times 1. Minus -3 times 6. And then we have 4 times
Hold on,
3.
that's not a -3. That shouldn't be
Alright.
in bracket.
oh
Yeah,
yes,
Sir,
yes,
that's
yes,
that's
yes.
3.
me, the sir.
Lower, Britty,
Sir, let me tell you something. The fact that me catch this
bop,
is
bop,
a
bop.
big achievement for
Me
me because
say,
I don't
good
know
day,
nothing else.
good day. Wow, I love it, I love it, I love it. Jesus, Brittany burst.
Proud
Jesus,
godfather.
Brittany burst. Blow. No, sir. Very nice, Brits. So this is gonna be 3 minus 9. Hey, I hope so. You're not having fun speaker make your family members think so. May you that, 8, 9, 8 ones, 8, that's -8. Let me change this. This looks like a 7, supposed to be -1.
Minus 54.
Brittany said, hold on. Isn't that supposed to be -3?
Yeah.
But this is 8 plus
Plus
18.
18.
Sir, I'm gonna ask a full question.
No, man, ask it.
4.
Sir, 0 can negative?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And I'm happy that you asked that. You don't ready for it yet, but I'm going to tell you so that when your business calculus teacher meets you, you know exactly what it is. So the 0 is negative because when you look to the left of 0, it is -0. When you look to the right of 0, it's +0. All right.
Okay,
And when
thanks, sir.
yeah, man, good. And when you get into that part, you'll see more of that. 3 minus 9 look like -6 to me.
Yes, sir. Minus 7. Minus 62.
62. Mm-hmm.
Plus 8. 26.
This
A
I mean, no,
4.
not 26, man.
26.
Yeah, 26. 6 for
You have
24.
-24 plus 434 plus 208. I gotta get 618.
So therefore, the overall determinant is 618. Blow out. That
Sir,
look
at the
good.
part I know, at the next part I know, I gonna mash me up.
All right. I bet you now mashing up. I bet you get the answer. They never know, so you could get that for the answer. I bet
Sir,
you.
me get the answer now, but it did puzzle me at first, cause me I said that when me do wrong right, yes, sir. But then when me, just a while ago when the teacher say we can put back for the value of X, when me work it out, me get the answer.
Okay, good job. Sorry, hold on, no. Who was this? Who was it? Who was asking? Somebody was asking, Drika, not Drika. Oh Lord Jesus, help me. Okay, somebody was asking, Tracy, you remember you're saying that you get mixed up you get mixed up right here, so I don't know what to do with the switching around or something. Talk to teacher Tracy. Tracy? Tracy did know, but Tracy actually drop a sleep pressure. She just says she should not talk to me anyhow. So what is happening here now is because I'm calculating the determinant of x, I'm removing x totally and putting in the 17, the 10, and the 3. And then we have 7, -3, 1.
8, 9, -1.
What's the next thing, Money Q?
Plus minus, plus
Oh,
minus,
okay,
plus
all right,
minus,
all right. Let
plus.
me just a check. Let me just a check.
So
All right.
we're gonna have 17.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have -3, 9, 1, -1. Minus 7.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have 10, 3, 9, -1.
10?
3,
Sir, oh, your negative
10,
3 and
9.
9 one look like 39, so.
It's not 39. Oh, yeah, look like 39, don't. I'm hungry now.
10, 9, 10, 9, 3, -1.
Okay.
And then we have plus 10,
No.
negative, plus
Plus
8,
8.
sorry, 8.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have 10, -3, 3, 1. And then we have 17, yeah, minus 1, minus 9. Yep.
You what? And now here, you what where you stay, Papa?
Paper shuffling, sir. May I do the thing? But may I have a
All right.
question I just want to ask you?
All right, cool. All right.
I have 17, 3 minus 9. 27 plus 8. 10 and 9 plus 9. We are got -102 plus 259 plus 152. And we are going to get 309. And then, sir,
Watch this now, guys. Delta x is equals to 309. Tell me who I'm going to find x. Come, talk to me. Give me a button, so.
309 delta
No,
x,
delta x,
x
right?
divided by delta. I gonna get 309 divided by 618. I gonna get 0.5.
A half. So therefore, x is equals to a half. So let me pause right there and show you. Say, let's show you. Say, you don't always get. You won't always get a whole number, but the decimal that you get is going to be terminating. What do you mean by terminating, sir? It's like I get 0.5 and nothing more than that. It just done at the 0.5. That's what we mean by terminating. And then you can go ahead and write the 0.5 as a half. So that in and of itself is okay. It's when I get them decimal there with 0.025876, something is wrong. It means that you need to start again. Something is wrong.
So, sir, what about decimals? 0.333. That wrong?
That is fine because no, 0.3333 is fine because that is a recurring decimal, which is 1/3.
Oh.
Which is 1/3, so that is fine.
So, sir, you could give us the answer for number 3, since we're not going to get to do it. Let me see if man right.
I could. I would give you the answer for number 3. Let me see if I can just finish off this one pretty quickly. I made some tea and the tea cold like a puppy nose.
Sir, go on me talk. Sir,
I drink it same way. Yeah, go ahead.
sir, I think I get it now.
What me expect you forget it, Miss Annie. You're a bright girl, you know. Because that's some of in doubt in
All
itself.
right, sir. No, my question now, sir.
Uh-huh.
All right, this that you get here, so right?
Mm-hmm.
The one that you get. What? I'm fair this now. The 309 divided by the 618, right? Or you
Mm-hmm.
or you get to divided by that. Or
Put
you
in the
come by that.
put in the calculator 309.
Oh, up here. Okay, up here, so.
Right.
Oh, it's two part. Okay, I just see it. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, sir. So
Go
my
ahead, please.
issue when I wrote down the equation, I made an error with one of the sign, but I was
Oh.
able to do the correction and I got it.
All right. Do me a favor, students. I'm going to beg you one big favor. Yes, when you're doing this question, it's when you're transcribing the equation, write it, and when you write it, you look back at the question paper and make sure say where you write off is the correct thing. Too often I'm marking Kramer's question and students write off where them think them they see. Left off the negative sign, and even though the calculations are correct, it's a different question you're answering and I can't give you the full marks for it. You may get some marks for as a follow through, but you can't get full marks. So you're not going to get 20 out of 20. Chances are you may get a 7 or a 8 out of 20. And that can hurt you. So please make sure that you're transcribing properly. 486 17 times 3 8 9 negative 1. Anybody learning?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Sir,
All right. Go ahead.
you know, sir,
Say it again, mommy.
best topic this. Me no know if
Yeah, man. I know this is nice. I'm going to teach after this one. I'm going to teach you sequence and series and get that. That's another big one, and you will like that one as well. All right, let's go. I need to go make some more tea. This is 10 9 3 negative 1. 10 9 3 negative 1. And this is negative 17. Whoa, that's a big number. Negative 17, boom, bam. 8 9 6 negative 1. 8 9 6 negative 1. And then this is going to be positive 8. And this is going to be 8 10. Want to tell me if I'm right, you know?
6 negative 1.
Excuse me?
That? Oh, yeah. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're friend me, Miss. Miss Annie, you can't come to me a while ago. Sure, I get it now, and then I go, over to you.
Oh, for sure.
Sure.
Sir. Oh,
All right, let's go now. So, all right, my pen is saying that it's tired because it's acting upon me. 10 times negative 1 minus 9 times 3 minus 17 times 8. Mommy, you better take out the calculus book, but mommy, take out the calculus book and join the class. 9 times 6 plus 8 into 8 times 3 minus 10 times 6. And this is 4 into negative 10 minus 27 minus 17 into negative 8. 8 nines, 9 eights, 63. 9 5 45, 9 6 54, 9 7 63. Don't. Oh, what is wrong? I'm hungry now. Plus 8. Come on, Ben. Plus 8 into 3 is 24. 10 times 6 is 60. Negative 60. 4 into negative 37.
20.
Minus 17 to, whoa, it's 60, 72. No, 71. All right. Oh man. All right, guys, hold on for me here.
Negative 71.
Yeah, man, I know, but I need to, when I come back to class, please, just remind me to disconnect to deactivate to put my tablet in airplane mode here, please, so that, but if I do it in airplane mode.
Question.
Go ahead.
Because he might have something wrong. Me, 9 times 6.
What is 9 times 6?
54.
Oh, I have 63 right, so
I have 60, sir.
Yeah, forgive me. Me don't declare say me hungry long time. I have no apologies.
Wrong, you know.
I have no apologies. You see, when you're hungry, you're just hungry. When you're hungry, you eye them dark and you see woolly for things. 54. He said, it's all one Brittany. Me say she a shot, you know. Me said no. 58, 59, 62. Me say the one Brit man. You can't fool her with this man. She a shot. All right, that's very nice. So this is what, 36? Talk to me.
Negative 36.
All right, good job. What is 4 times negative 37? Negative enough, don't. 148, me no know.
48.
Yeah, and what is negative 17 plus
One,
enough?
1054.
Oh.
Minus 288.
And what that is?
618.
So therefore, delta x is equal to 618. So therefore, delta x over delta is going to be equal to 618 over 618. X is equals to 1.
Good job.
Lie. They lie that man. I know why we do.
Yes, sir, why? But I think you have the answer.
No man, the answer right, but it's why we talk about. All
So
right,
that means
and then let me just put it.
delta x we have this to y.
Right. Oh yeah. There's another one. All right, and then I'm going to do the last one, and then I'm going to give you the answers for number 3, and then you call it you need to go find some food. CALCULATE, calculate the DETERMINANT of Z. Very good, guys. I'm very encouraged.
Sorry.
Go ahead, please.
So if I this alone, you get by exam, I mash it up.
Yeah, well, guess what? You better catch the other one, them kind of it alone you get. All right, talk to me now. This is what?
Mistress, so come and get this amount for number 3.
No, man. Just you use the time. No one does. Double check your answer. Quick and fast before we come out of class. Because I know you understand it, Abby. Yeah. Brittany, you may call it Abby. All my eyes them get all dark. I mean, my ears. Jesus, me I talk all foolishness. All right, come. All this going on. This is 8. I'm trying to see. No, it's 486. 486. And
My girl, we need to let you go now, cause boy,
trust me.
really hungry.
No man. I am, and me when I feel for no what by heavy nothing, I just yeah, it's just one of those things. But no man, I'm not shortchanging. I know if 9 o'clock gone, but if you know me, I am going to be here with you until I finish out this plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus and a plus. And then, well, this is the last one, so I can talk to the worms until the worms just relax. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to use a big 17. I'm going to use the last column. And I'm going to go 6 into 7 17, negative 3, and 10.
Mm.
And then I'm going to go to negative 1 into boom bam 4, 17, 8, and 10.
Mm.
And then I'm going to go 3, boom bam 4, 7, 8, and negative 3. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So, sir,
Go ahead, please.
taking it from the bottom, when you're using the bottom row,
Mm-hmm.
when you're rewriting what is left, the two
Mm-hmm.
matrix, you start from the first one.
Yeah. Always start from the first one or the top one. So once you're using the row, you start from the first one. I mean, and once you're using a column, you start from the top one. So top to bottom, left to right. Always. Alrighty then. Let me just boom bam this one quick and fast. So this is going to be 6 into 7 times 10 minus 17. Only get on the calculator out for me, please. Minus 1 into 4 times 10 minus 17 times 8 plus 3 into 4 times negative 3 minus 7 times 8. Minus 6 into 70 plus 51.
Sir, what is minus 6? It's not minus 6.
Come here, wonder when get negative 6.
Where you
Care
get
about
6?
that.
The
Let me get 6.
arrow. The arrow, sir.
It's an arrow, it's an arrow, it's an arrow, it's an arrow. It take the pen, tricky jamming sometimes.
Yes, sir, and it get dull. The writing not so bright.
Someone realize it too, All right.
That's
Me
why
just
my eye
miss.
them blurry. Come here, wonder what going with my eye.
I'm hungry like a teacher, man. Negative. All right, let me see if we can go.
No, sir, no hungry. Me just eat my curry chicken and rice and my cook.
I don't like you. You are mean.
No,
You couldn't,
for real.
you couldn't share, you couldn't show someone what with a rubber curry chicken and rice,
Exactly.
Look dull though.
Yeah, man, it's all
Sir,
right.
bright up back. Bright up back.
Yeah, I just changed the setting here. 10 times 7 is 70. Me say, hey, money Q, it sounds well strong, I get a little lemonade with that. Whoa. All right, 7 times 3, 7 times 10 is 70. This is what, 51 plus 51 minus 1 times 10 times 4 is 40. Oh, what is 17 times 8? 136? Me no know. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What? Got through my niece. Yeah. Make sure you come excel here. 4 3 is 12, negative 12. And what is 8 times 7? 7, 7, 4, 8, 7, 56. That's minus 56. So it's going to be, that's 121 minus 1 times 94, negative 94. No, negative 96.
96.
96, yeah. Negative 96. Plus 3 times, that's what, 68?
Negative 68.
Good job. Boy, a big number there, Mr. Robin, man. 616, 6212,
726.
726 plus 96.
Plus 96. And then this about 3 times 68. Negative 200.
4. How much that work out to be? 618, don't?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, delta Z over delta is going to be equals to 618 over 618, which implies that Z is equals to 1. So we could check it quick and fast. But we can check the answers now, you know.
Sir.
Yes, please.
May I go leave now?
All right, good job. It did very
Next
well.
week. Thank you, sir.
No. Hold on. Give me half a second. All right. Give me half a second. Give me half a second. Don't leave it. Just half a second. All right.
All right,
So
sir.
you just go ahead and check your answers. I won't check your answers here. Brittany asked me to just, since we don't have enough time to do the third one,
Sir,
and I want go ahead, Papa.
you know, say that did the thing and my reach the third one, but I X messed up because I'm not even need to go to Y and Z. So I can send it in the file now in the chat.
Okay, cool.
But
All
I
right.
don't know if you're right, you know.
For which one? For the third one?
Yeah.
Okay, what you go for? What you go for?
Check
X?
the chat. Okay. Half.
Good job. What you got for Y?
I X messed up because I type it. I'm open the file, sir.
I'm opening it, but it. Okay, that's what it says. Oi.
Sir,
Yeah.
why that sounds there's a hole.
No. So what he did was to type it, but there are no brackets. So the numbers are there.
Yes, sir. I need some artwork.
Yeah, but there's no brackets in the stuff. So when I opened it and I saw that, I was like, whoa, this looks like one multiple choice. But yeah, man. So I see where you stop at x equals to a half. Very nice. But you need to finish it off though.
Sir, I can give you my answer for Y and Z.
Tell me please.
For Y, negative 1/3. And for Z, I got
Sir, which question we are talking about?
Number 3.
Sir, me
I got
get for the determinant of the overall determinant.
Just tell me what you get for x. What is x?
Me
X is?
get 2.
No, you can't get 2, man. Come do that again, man. Sim Simmer, what you get for what you get for Z, Sim Simmer?
Sir, the overall determinant is negative 192.
That's correct though. Sim Simmer, what you say?
I got a quarter.
Okay, you're good, man. You can leave because you're right. So the value of x is a half.
Oh, sir,
you're not,
me know what me do. Me know what me do.
You're
me
not.
do the.
Sir, me get the determinant right, you know, but me think X, Y, and Z wrong.
So x is a half, y is a third, and z is a quarter.
Sir, me know what me do. Me know what me do. Let me tell you what me do. Me do the reverse. So me do the determinant over the determinant of x. So if me switch them, I'm supposed to get the answer.
Sir, so you get 2, 3, and 4 for your answer then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to flip them.
Sir, the answers are fractions?
All of them. Every one of them. X is a half, y is a third, and z is a quarter.
Yes, sir. Me get it now. So later.
Big up yourself. All right, guys.
Sir,
go ahead, please.
I know it's late and whatever, but I thought you said you would have given us some questions to submit.
To submit? Remind me.
I don't remember, but I thought you mentioned something like that
I think he's
Tuesday.
talking
Yeah, one
about
Like it
long
was a
time
course
there.
something or what, I don't
Oh yeah, man,
know.
you're gonna get that, man. You're gonna get that. You're gonna get that. You see, through me hungry, me kinda remember, but you're gonna get it, man. Trust me, I promise you, man.
No problem.
Yeah, man. But let me just say this in 2 seconds. Students, if you keep up this energy, I promise all 30 out of you will move over to your business calculus. Very, very, very good. All right? Those of
You
you
see,
who are
but the
struggling.
interaction helped us, sir.
Oh, absolutely. And the talking, is when I tell you about the talking in another class, where it
Yeah.
was? Yes, man. Because guess what? A while ago, Britley wasn't talking. But me go write something. She says, "Oh, well, on there. Where you get that from?" Because though she's not talking, she is seen. And there are other students who say, "No, sir, what that, sir? 6 times 9 gives 63, sir. A 54." And these are things that I want to happen. Please don't wait until next week, Tuesday, guys, to take up your math books. I will send some questions, some additional questions on Kramers. You know what I would love? If you get your past papers, but I can send some questions. Brit, is that me will send something after you, Brit. I'm gonna eat some food and then I'm gonna say we can find the questions tonight. But if you not see tonight, you're gonna see tomorrow.
Sir,
Big
you
up on
can get
yourself.
some recent past paper.
Promises are comfort to a fool, but go ahead.
Go on about the business in Jesus' name.
Like 2020, 22.
I can try. Let me try online. I can't
Please.
promise you, but I'll try.
For online, you go to the same place. Me go say now, go see them.
Oh crap. Oops, me not gonna even get it then. But anyhow, it was nice having you. You know, you did well. Big up on yourself. Sleep tight.
Bye,
Good
sir.
night. Good night,
Bye
everyone.
bye. Yeah, man.
Good night.
Good night, Mamali.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care. No problem.